OIOB. OIOB. Enter. So when your management asks that they need to do the shutdown for 1 month, 2 months, or a small shutdown 1 week, or there is a Diwali holiday, and team has informed maintenance department that they can take 7 days particular machine for maintenance. So for that 7 days or 15 days or 10 days, we need to track our activities and cost what we have done on that 7 days. So to track the, you can mention to track the cost of shutdown activity simply. So this T code is OIOB. So simply, I think there is some revision already. So simply, you can create a new entries. You mention your planning plan. Okay, revision. So what is the revision? Revision number, or I can say it's May. Okay, so May 2021. So May 21, it's a shutdown. Engine shop shutdown. So there is no production. So production person has given us. Okay, what is the start date? So my start date will be 1st of May. Okay, start time anytime. It's not mandatory. Anytime you can give. And end date will be okay, like the end of May. Yeah, end time will be end. So once I save this, data was saved. This revision, we got this May 2021 revision. Let's save this. Revision. I will mention here T code as a OIOB. OIOB. Okay, and I will. So yeah, what is the use of this? So whenever I create the work order with that revision in that period, we can track all the cost, and you can there one T code IW39, and once you enter that revision number there, you will get all the work order which has been created with that revision. So I will quickly create one work order. Ration IW31. Medium, priority medium, equipment. Enter. So there is one tab where I can update my revision number. Okay. Yeah. See, this is the tab. So I will see. I will update my May 2021 revision number. And I will add some cost. So whatever the work order having cost in that revision number, okay, I will remove this. Okay, May 2021, and I have cost there 5,000. Okay, revision dates, copy start date. Okay, so start date and end date has been copied from my revision number. Yeah. So okay, not last working day like this. This just warning messages. So why is asking? 1st May is holiday. So system is asking, do you want to work like this? Yeah. It will fetch from factory calendar. So I will, in one of the session, I will show you what is the factory calendar. So no need to update date, just revision number update, dates appear. Again, on which report I will tell you. IW39 is the report where you can track all the cost of the work orders which has work performed within that revision month or revision week or revision period. So have you seen work orders and notification in your company?
No, actually not.
Means you need to get some familiar with this. Okay.
Yes.
So it's for okay. Save this. And I will create one more with a different cost. So we will see in IW39 both the work order. Okay, this order has been created. Okay, revision order number. I will create one more order. Let's see. For revision, cost will be 8,000. Revision is same. Okay, and I will save this. Okay, so 84 this order. So there is a T code list display of order. T code is IW39 session IW39. Okay, so let me go revision. Where is the revision? Yeah, the revision is there. I will select my revision. May 20. System will give me. I will remove the date. System will give me how many orders which has assigned that May 2021. So there will be two work orders. Okay, two work orders are there. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So revision number. Okay, that's it. Just a moment. I need to see one tab. Costing tab is there. So we can see what is the cost. Basically, finance people will track that cost for shutdown. Let me see cost. The cost. Okay. Okay. Yeah, cost is there. I want only cost. Zero, yes. Cost. Okay. Total actual cost. Okay. Total plan cost. Okay, no issue. Total sum. Total plan sum. Okay, let me see. So 5,000 and 8,000 in my report. Okay, it's not coming. Let me check on which tab that cost has been occurred. we have updated 5,000 here. Okay, what is this? Okay, estimated total cost for order. Okay, estimated cost. Okay, so let's see where is estimated cost. Estimated cost. Okay, yes, I will take it up. Yeah, 5,000, 8,000. So simply you need to select this. You will get May 2021 total estimated cost for work we have done is 13,000. You understand?
Okay, sir.
So that is the use of revision. Basically, it will track all the equipments, maintenance, how many labors, everything via this. See, there is one tab. So layout tab here. There will be so many details are there. So as per your requirement, you just need to select and from column set to move, column display, total plan revenue, settlement, user status, WBS element. So many things are there. Serial number, room, revision. And here, if you want to take this to the top, you simply select here. Okay, revision. Again, if you want to this report in the Excel format, you just need to select and here spreadsheet. Just pivot or you want table format. Okay, Microsoft Excel. Yeah, this report will be comes to the Excel. So you can copy, paste, or you can send via email, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I think we are good. So we'll continue tomorrow with some planned maintenance activity like a time-based performance and condition. So tomorrow onwards, some what I can say important topics will be covered. Basically, consultant need to focus on that activities. Hmm? So as of today, so yeah, these topics are also important. These topics, but it has not that much day-to-day activities are involved. Basically, end user can perform. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, but some configuration which I shown you for functional location, structure, reference, that are the pure consultant part. Okay, yeah, that bill of material can do end user. That yeah, characteristic class can be performed by end user. Documents can be run by end user. Okay,
Okay.
no